noise pollution matter, the court has told everybody that insofar as those 5 units are concerned, those monitoring stations are to be installed in some time-bound manner. Out of 5, 3 have filed affidavits in the High Court, 2 I have sought time to file affidavits. In the meanwhile, the Pollution Control Board is supposed to inspect this establishment and find out exact nature of this establishment as to whether they are outdoor or indoor venues. Then they are supposed to further find out and tell about the area, the location, the structure, etc. All those details of these 5 structures are to be reported to the court. That is what has happened insofar as noise pollution is concerned.
Was there any direction to verify other establishments that whether they have, where Corrigendum has issued, whether they have installed the noise pollution
So
system?
one issue that came up was whether that monitoring stations will have to be installed in a particular time limit or what, as to what is the time limit that is required. The Corrigendum did not have any time limit, but the effect of that corrigendum is that you are supposed to do it immediately, that is as early as possible. So it is not as if that they can put it as and when they want. It is required that they should do it immediately. Many of them have come forward and said that they want to install it. They have started inquiring about the availability of that particular machine. So that is also happening.